boy. Team.
Ulit, ulit.
Sa.
Ulit. Andong sa pati. Ulit.
Jim is a big and fit boy. Tim saw Jim in a fit. Jim was in a pit. Tim did his bit to help Jim got out of the pit.
Daw. Ito, basahin mo yung mga nasa taas.
Tim, fix, help, big, pit, at, fit, din, was,
Did,
was,
Jim.
did, got.
Alin pa? Alin pa ang story dyan na kaya mong basahin? Hanap ka dyan. Itong pinabasa ko sa'yo.
Alam ko na ito,
Pag marami kang nababasa, makakabasa ka na ng kwento, di ba? Di ba? Marami ka na nabasa.
Alam ko na ito,
Very good. Makakabasa ka ng story kapag alam mo na yan lahat. Yeah.
Body, music, color, stand, sun, question, fish, area, mark, dog, horse, birds, problem, complete, room, new, seen, ever, is, told, usually, didn't, friends, easy, heard, order, read, door, sure, become, top, sheep, across, today, during, short, better, bet,
Best.
whoever, low, ours, black, products, happened, holy,
Whole.
whole, measure, remember, early, wave, red, listen, listen, with, rock, space,